Having trouble connecting to Wi-Fi on your OnePlus phone? Don't worry, here is how to fix the not connecting to Wi-Fi issue step by step on your phone. So let's get started. Restart your router. Turn off your router for 5 minutes and then turn it back on. If that doesn't work, try these solutions. Solution 1. Turn on Wi-Fi scan throttling. Open Settings. After that, scroll down and tap Additional Settings. Then, scroll down again and find Developer Options. If you don't see it, tap About Device. Next, tap version number 7 times. Enter your lock screen password if prompted. Now, go back to Additional Settings and tap Developer Options. Scroll down and toggle off Wi-Fi scan throttling. Try connecting to Wi-Fi again. Solution 2. Forget and reconnect Wi-Fi. Go to Settings. Then, tap Wi-Fi. Next, tap the eye icon next to your Wi-Fi name. Now, tap Forget and then Remove. Now, select your Wi-Fi name again. Enter the password. And then, tap Save. Solution 3. Change IP settings. Go to Settings. Then tap Wi-Fi. Next, tap the eye icon next to your Wi-Fi name. Scroll down, and then tap IP settings. Select Static. Solution 4. Check for software updates. Go to Settings again. Now, scroll down, and then tap About Device. Tap your operating system. Update your software if an update is available. Solution 5. Reset network and Bluetooth settings. Open Settings. Then, scroll down. Next, tap Additional Settings. After that, tap Backup and Reset. Then, tap Reset Phone. Select Reset Network and Bluetooth settings. Confirm by tapping Reset Network and Bluetooth settings again. Now, check if your issue is resolved. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching!